Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add photos on Pinterest. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Pinterest on a device and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Here, tap the add icon and tap pin. Now select a picture or video you want to upload and tap next. It is now time to fill in the details. Add a title to your picture and enter the description. Next, link the image to a website. It can be a blog post, your business website, or any site you want. You can also add alt text. Here, describe the picture so that people can use screen readers to hear how the picture looks. If you don't want to fill up the details, you can skip this step as well. When done, tap Next. You can now add this image to your board. So, tap the board you want. You can also create a new board. And that's how you add photos on Pinterest. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.